I convinced me to do the top model, and it was never really for me, and then I tried it, and I can't get enough of it, I'm not gonna lie. So, I love the company, I love the family, and thank you guys for being here and enjoy the show.
Give up for Valeria, our top model for 2012, with your walkout to the billions. I'll be keeping you up with your song. Oh, you're being Give it up for Valeria. I'll let you walk really quick. For you. Give it up, everyone. Give her an applause. Valeria, top model for Plaza. That's a beautiful dress. I love it. Give it up for Valeria one more time.